Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So last time I showed you guys my brand new Note 10 Plus case, which is I ordered and then I got it on hand already. So yesterday I just pre-ordered my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So if you guys missed the video, you guys could search under my channel, or I will try to link you within the description down below or toward the end of this video. So like I show you guys, this is a rugged hybrid case with a kickstand by Poetic. So it is better to push this down while you slide this clip and fold it down flat. So anyway, today I'm going to unbox the screen protector. You know, you buy a pretty expensive phone, you want to have a protection on your screen, even though you got the case on there, and then a bumper top and bottom, but you never know, you might hit on the side, on the edges. So let's go ahead and show you guys what I got. So I got this one right here. This one's supposed to be the front and then the back screen protector. I don't think this is made out of glass, so I'm not sure. Tell you guys what, I only pay 99 cents for this set. And I thought it was kind of sketchy at first. Maybe I thought I'm not going to receive it or it's kind of some kind of scam. But anyway, I finally received it. And then when I try to go back and check it out, the price again, it jumped to $2.99 and then $3.99. So I'm not sure what's the reason. Price might jump back to $4.99. So let's go ahead and take this out. So I don't think the seller is making money on this when I first bought it. Now I'm kind of regret I should have bought more. So it says Nano Ultimate Shock Absorption Screen Protector, Soft Explosion Proof, Membrane, Refuse to Burst. Wow, it says real glass. At first I thought it was like a thin plastic layer, but so I had to do like a review when I finally received my phone, because on the previous Samsung Galaxy S10, S10e or S10 Plus, if you put like a glass protector on there, I guess the touch sensitivity doesn't work too well. So and it is made in China. All right, so let's go and then open this up for you guys to check it out. So come with the nice, wow. It come with the wet, dry. I guess the wet one is alcohol wipes. it gave me 2 sets because it comes with the front and then the back. So this one should come with 2 pieces. So this is not glass, so I'm not sure. Unless the package is supposed to be meant for the glass one. So they just use this so it will prevent from bending. Because on the seller's listing, it says this is like a plastic. So yeah, this is plastic. So this is not glass. Because I know from the previous experience, when I put the glass screen protector on the S10 Plus, the touch does not work. So here is the cutout opening for the camera. And time of flight. And then the LED cutout. So you peel this first on the inner side, and then you stick this on the back of your phone. And once it's get all the bubbles out, you want to peel this off. Okay, that's why it's you got a 1 and 2. So front means you facing outward. Back is the back side of the phone. And then this is the front screen protector. So again, you peel this side out first. Okay, you peel it off. And then you peel this after you apply it on your screen. All right, so anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. For 99 cents, I cannot complain. But right now the seller increased it to $3.99 the last time I checked. So it might go up to $4.99. Who knows? So be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below so you guys won't miss out on any of my new and latest video. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.